Janitva IVF Center has tied with an advanced laparoscopy center from Maharashtra for advanced gynecology surgeries. They specialize in operating chocolate cysts, fibroids, adenomyosis, bilateral tubal block, hysterectomy and ovarian cysts. Join their workshop on June 23rd to 25th for expert guidance and minimal cost and hospital stay. Contact Janitva IVF Center for registration at Universal Metro Walk, Bedkusi, Guwahati. Contact numbers 99547 00457, 88110 53000 and 88110 52000.
Mentakas nging inya pai suku kubor ka bede ba ka jingte ya ka longren yang jong ki kun ki kti jongi ha ki ba buon ki liang la ka long ha ka pule ka puthi bat ki sap ki phong ki ba ha ka ni ka juk menta la don kam ban sedang ban petu naduh ba ki dang red karta ban penrong ha ka jingmut jing perkhan bat ban pensuluru yaki kene ka khubor menta ka janmiet ka dai halor ka sin jam jong ka we ka skol ha kene ka nong ba shalong ka bang ikermen ba ki wei ru ki nyo jingmut ban Nalor ka Jingpule dan kamru ban khmih ki sap ki phong jong ki khna habaro ki liang
ka St Edmunds School Shillong ka dig skol ka banado ki post na manchwa kalapau kum ka wei ni ki skol ka balapan mi ki babon ki kraw perkhat bat ki kenram ki lendan ka ba hadu menta bon ki be ban bo skol la ki khon ha ka ni ka jaka pulia kumba kalong menta kinong pania jokane ka skol kidang persang ru pat sadaki wei kilat kilenti kumno ban penjana sho ikijing shakri ki khna khnang bakin omkot tang ha ka Jingpule nrei ban lab ru ikisap jongki haki wei pat ki benta la kalong haki kam kilan met ka tem kaput karwai ka siaw bat ki wei dikisap ka bekidon Nalor ka sports mentala katukane senam le jupen long ru ikijing ilakai babon jat halor rensan hakabla thung kerpang ru ikino hikai ban hikai ruai bat ban ak drama bat komba PE hangne kani kadai shibenta jong kajing hikai kabagino penyat skol hangne kishem bakadai shibenta jong ka pulia puthi Hadian beladap pentebit yaki hakajing syat kijing ruai bat kiwei di kijing akai la penlong pat ikarensan ban ina megadega sap jongki syaki kime kikpa kibale si halayeng bon kim yoi yagne ka sap jongki da kajing kersan borba kikime kikpa hangni phini I baki kena halakriam kibet kibapanyahap katkum kamat padeng balabo bat Nalor karyam hangni phini I ki sap jongki kena namar gidan gijingile akai kibakini ki khna shenrang ki haban akum ki kenthai shikhle mat phen pet yaki omla ban nget bigidi shenrang khamtam ha gijing shat kini gidi ki khna ki bapule na do class 1 hado class 4 ki badan saus pa nyok san ngot baro ki be shembenta ha kani karensan.
We have a variety of entertaining items prepared for you. We hope you enjoy every bit of action you will see on stage.
It's the time to disco. ban hikai khana ret ka kham suk na marba kidang ngap ba shi so shider kan ban batai kumnu ban le kin shimpor hi henre da kilayo pat ka kham suk ki bakane bhaka memory expand ke theater background ko mo kala ban ya temlang habdan baki live instrument bat ka acting ti ka don lang kata pa ka wanra ka jing ka bakham bha ka result ka bakham bha henre la dangi tem di kitara ka compare hi kala ban long ka ju tang ba compare ka henre da de ba dan lang baki no hi kai gi ba le ka acting le nga ka music le nga ka demonstration I brother ile ka acting jo ki main character te ka compare ke buan ki school menta kilaya le hi kini nga perkhat bat nga ngai namar ba kini ki jat u khana u have use baro artli ki brain buan da phik record u khana u use tang ka cognitive thinking ki ba mo tang one side of the brain te da le bat ka art pat ki acting ki singing music calculation maths because kakawan lang pagtam so ki khana baro artli ki brain ki baro art side of the brain ki pendon kam te da pendon kam baro artli ki brain pa ki kham long pro ki kham long start
Come on, let's twist again, like we did last summer. Yeah, let's twist again, like we did last year. Do you remember when things really happened? Yeah, let's twist again, Christmas time is here. Round and round and up and down we go again. Oh baby, make me know you love me so. Twist again, like we did last summer. Come on, let's twist again, like we did last year. Twist. Who's that flying up there? Is it a bird?
Nu kani em main de ni pet kum tu de dangi ai lat ki khna kham tam ki bak kham long ki kham le ran de dangi ai lat ki bakin le bakan long ka ek ka ba pher de ki long confident nga pet after ko concert em ki don tu ki khna ki ba before kham kran en de tama after the concert pan I ba ki gain confidence ha de kata hilok aku na kaliang jongate kadem tag ni ai ek ba compare ki khna ya ka ek pa kile man kasi kamu ni ai la de ki ken bakin long bakin persang bet ya ka ba ki kampai perkhar ken ban riam ken thei ai ki don ki we ar kum tu long kimda long shule bangi hikai tama majority te ki don ka sap hi ki baru aru barishwa bangin ngidadon hikini ki competition engi hi ya ka sap jongki tengi sabu ki accordingly ken ha ka program bakile
You said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. You say take me home. I said no, Perignon. You said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. La mina loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca.
long ningkong tadang sedang te kan kam hi ki ni man kin bat ken tama kidon ki khna bade long kitu ki ba don pakasap dei ki kam kloi ban kem ki kloi ban kem wala ki la kitu ki khna ki ban ka lepa ka sap ka jing ruai ban ruai kitu ki yo kem kloi na ta ki khna ba kam long slut ki don hi tama suki bade haru dala poi ka final bade kila and they did very well shaken
ngi shu ai men siam ba ikna ning kong ek ngi ong ba kinum sngo pher la dangi penriam costume sa ki kan thai te ki khna ro ki long very sporting kenya kata tengi penriam ki ngi pen shat ki ro ki pen iba ya ka talent ba ki don kim le ranya kata bon na ki la don lupa ka talent namar ba kalong mangi ki nong kai ngi shulong kum ba ngi shu bring out that talent ka bala don lupa haki ken te kuman haki ni ro ki to ki ba act po ka to ka play bon na ki la don lupa ki la tebet lupa ha ka rukom keren karukom bakin ag rukom bakin hakitep hakanu kapor bakin ki expressions jong kiro kalab tebet lupa so ngi shu train tang ki komno bakin kin kam bit shu ken.
I had to first listen to the music and then I had to go according to that to see what kind of a light has to be placed for the music, because according to the beat we have to get the lights also to go on according to the beats, according to the story also, and we had to get particular slides for that, so according to the story, so each and every scene we had to put a different slide for it related to the play. Kei ka ba ni dim penslur ba kum kim ki pa ki khon namar ha ka ni kum ke da pi penlong kum kini ki ja jing le ka school ki ola da pen ki talent jo ki ha jo ka po ru ni i bon ba ki benta ke e ba ngim i kum ki mi pa yeng ande ha ka jing pen krea ka school kum ni la ben perform bon ha ki activities kum ki drama kar kum ruwa jong i ka acting ke kaba donkam ha ya ka jing development jong ki khun ki ti jong i ke te nga kum ku pa jong udasan pura nga ai men siem ba yu uru bon sim benta kum kini ki ke bola penya ja school ban nga ai ka Jingpule ka ba he do ya principal jong ka sin admin school brother Solomon Morris namar ba da kani ka jingpenya jong u jong kini ki concert bet bon ha ki extracurricular activities ka complete development jong ki khun jong hi kan biang.
Words are very less to express the standard of the concerts, and each and every child, I must specifically mention this, each and every child was given a particular role to play in the concert, and each and every child's role in the concert was important. The music system, and it's hats off to the teachers who can really train the boys dancing like girls, and their costumes, and we as parents we get so much encouraged by the hard work we see when, and it's not that the concert is going on, but studies are not affected. Studies are also going on at the same time. And then I really don't know when the teachers are training them to dance, and the dance also they do it with so much perfection. The boys are dressing up as girls. In fact, the first year when I came, when my son was the first year of the school, and when this concert, so when I saw the boys dressed up as girls, I thought, oh, maybe they have just hired their siblings to dance. But after seeing the concert, I knew, oh no, it's the boys only who are dressed up as girls, and they do it with so much perfection. And then it's the training, the teachers, and I must specially mention the music teacher. She's so good, and and as we are watching the concert, we feel that ecstasy, we feel that so much perfection and so much that hard work each and every child, each and every teacher has put in. We can see that on stage, and we are so lucky.
Darling, I can tell, darling, you still growing, you still growing, you still going strong. I feel the room swaying while the band's playing one of your old favorite songs from way back when. So take her rap, fellas, find her an empty lap, fellas, and darling, we'll never go away again. I said hello, darling, well, what do you know, darling, it's so nice to have you back where you belong. You're looking swell, darling, and I can tell, darling, you're still growing, you're still growing, you're still going strong. Just feel that room swaying, 'cause the band's playing one of your
The concert is, for us, it is like a festival. Every year we used to wait for the concert. Like all the children are being taken part. Each and every students are enjoying in the concert. Even we as a parents, we used to wait for the concert, like when the concert will be coming, and all other extracurricular activities. Tengah ngasngo bakani ke school ka ailat bahai ki khana te ban nang ikini ki nong kom no bam dei tang ka kot ken ke perkhat long ki ki lain ru te khana anda ki banang ruai ki la ban ruai te ki banang shat la ban shat ki baya ak ro ki nang te ki he habun ki liang ken mdei bi shudurut be tang ki khra kot ken te ngasngo baka jinang jing start ni ke de ban long kom ta te ke de ban long teli mod hap start ha ka kon hap start ru ha ki ki liang namar ladang isu perkhat be tang ka jingnang kot kamu ka jing em ru ka long dal long ba ong mo all em tu ka jing ong shi ong all play and no work makes Jack a dull boy tengah try hang ni ki khna te kilong active in all round sphere mod hakakot ru ki le bha ngai i khon la jong biang ka kot ru le bha hi te ka kam sko bha ru biang hi te menta le dan sekini ki swimming ki ai ru mod u khon jong ba tieng ru menta mod la kham shilor khan dia te ka omi ai te ka shong hangi ki ne ki mi paru bangin dom kentat te ka ai bakat skol ga ai madon ki mi paru ba ki ong that babun than ki re hangam asngo ba ke ba yo ngi ban kemente long at least ndang yo don le bam ai sen don ru.
My name is Daniel, and I'm here to tell you a story. It's really a great story, and it happened to me and 3 of my friends. Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego. Yes, Abednego.
There's a lot of talk these days in the newspapers about the kind of education that we need to impart. So, they're talking about this 360-degree holistic education. If this is not holistic education, I don't know what it is. These children are able to remember so many words. They're able to remember the songs. They're able to dance to music, keep the rhythm. They can sing. They can coordinate. This to me is education, not just the books. It's the all-round education.